Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm coming at you with another unboxing video. As you can see right there, it's back to gun stuff. So I ordered a Geissele SMR rail. I believe that's super modular rail. So comes off in a really nice box. As always, make sure when you're cutting away. Looks like they did a lot of taping here. Ooh. So it looks like I got a blue type of bandana. It says God and Country. Almost thought that was a pot leaf for a second, but I guess it's not. Have a bag of Geissele coffee. That sounds super interesting. Was not expecting that. Here we also have some stickers. This is my invoice. And then we have directions on putting on the super modular rail for my HK416 or MR556. Ooh, this is pretty cool. All right, so now all that out of the way, go on here. Rail is nicely rolled up like a burrito. And I ended up getting 14.5-inch rail just because it gives me more space. So you can see, oh, perfect. It comes with its own little nut. You have your clip-in sling mount, M-Lok all the way around. So this is the M-Lok SMR rail for the HK416 or the MR556. The regular SMR rail has its own little proprietary mounting solution, and truthfully, it looks a lot cooler, but it weighs almost about the same as your stock rail. From HK Parts, I believe the stock 14.5-inch M-Lok rail from HK weighs around close to 2 pounds, and this is about, from Geissele, I believe this is about 14 ounces, or almost up to 1 pound. So this will cut down on some weight of that rifle. So to install your Geissele SMR rail, this is what we're going to need. We're going to need a flathead screwdriver, some CLP, a vice grip or pliers, whatever you want to call them, and a glove, and a paper towel. So first things first, gonna take your flathead to your rail, loosen it up. So just for comparison, the rail on your left right now, that is your factory rail from H&K. And then this is the Geissele SMR rail. So it looks like it's a little bit taller, but narrow as well, which I think also helps cut down on the weight. And if I recall, this one is steel and this one is aluminum. So as part of the installation instructions, you can see how tight the tolerances are on the SMR rail, so you're going to have to lube up your barrel nut a little bit. So now that your rail is off, takes a CLP or some lubricant of your choice, spray it down onto a paper towel, and then apply some of that lubrication onto the barrel nut here. So the reason they recommend this is so that the rail can slide on a little bit easier. Oh, that went on the wrong spot. Just gonna rub out some of that excess. should be lubed up enough. Now we're going to install the rail. Alright guys, so the rail is properly mounted now. So when I had it over the barrel nut, I kind of just wiggled it just a little bit, and I stood the rifle up so that gravity can help bring it down. But according to the directions, nothing should be forced. It should kind of just slip over. So I definitely do think the addition of the CLP helped for sure. And also make sure that when you're installing, your locking screw is out. So now that everything is good to go, I'm going to put my screw back in and then tighten down the screw. So now you can see the rail is fully installed. One thing I encountered when I was putting this screw back in, I got a lot of friction once it starts to thread on the other side. You don't need to worry about that. You're doing nothing wrong. All you're going to need to do is take a flathead or a vice grip and then just tighten her down all the way. And now she sits perfectly flush on both sides. For the record, I got this shipped to me in about 2 days, which was super impressive. But assuming they're from Pennsylvania and I live in New Jersey, I'm assuming that's why. But I'm super excited to test out this rail. In the future, I'm looking to get maybe a flashlight and a angled foregrip, and then that should be it, and maybe paint the rifle as well. But let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.